What if I told you that two people can eat the exact same number of calories, and one ends up tired, bloated, and hungrier than before, while the other feels energized, full, and clear-headed? Same calories, completely different bodies. Here's the science nobody talks about. Calories in, calories out. That's the rule, right? Every diet app, every fitness influencer, every doctor will tell you, just hit your calorie goal and you're fine. But what if that's only half the story? Today we're breaking down exactly what happens inside your body when you eat 2,000 calories of processed junk food versus 2,000 calories of real whole food. The results will change how you think about every meal. Let's start with the junk food day. 2,000 calories could look like this: a large fast food breakfast sandwich, a bag of chips, a soda, a slice of pizza, and a chocolate bar. Sounds like a lot of food, right? Here's what's actually happening inside your body within the first hour. Your blood sugar spikes fast. The refined carbs and added sugars hit your bloodstream almost instantly, triggering a massive insulin response. Your body scrambles to deal with the sugar flood. Then comes the crash. About 90 minutes later, your blood sugar drops sharply, and your brain sends one signal: eat again. You're not actually hungry. Your cells are full of calories, but your hormones are telling a completely different story. On top of that, those 2,000 calories came with almost zero fiber, minimal protein, and very few micronutrients. Your gut has nothing to work with. Digestion is fast, inflammation goes up, and by 3 p.m., you're exhausted. Now let's look at 2,000 calories of whole food. Same number, different universe. This could be eggs and oats with fruit for breakfast, a big salad with grilled chicken and olive oil for lunch, a handful of nuts as a snack, and salmon with sweet potato and vegetables for dinner. What happens inside your body? First, blood sugar rises slowly. The fiber in the oats, vegetables, and fruit slows digestion down. No spike, no crash. Insulin stays stable. Second, protein and healthy fats signal your satiety hormones, specifically leptin and GLP-1, to tell your brain you're genuinely full. You stop thinking about food between meals because your body actually got what it needed. Third, your gut microbiome is fed. The fiber feeds beneficial bacteria, reduces inflammation, and supports your immune system. You reach 9 p.m. with energy still left, same calories. Completely different metabolic outcome. Here's why this matters. A study published in the journal Cell Metabolism put this to the test. Participants eating ultra-processed food consumed on average 500 more calories per day, not because they were told to, but because ultra-processed food actively disrupts the hormonal signals that tell you to stop eating. The food is literally engineered to make you want more. Whole food works the opposite way: higher satiety, better hormonal response, more stable energy. The calorie number on the label is real, but what your body does with those calories depends entirely on where they came from. So next time someone tells you a calorie is a calorie, you can tell them the full story. If you want to see exactly what a full week of whole food eating looks like, with a complete meal plan, shopping list, and macro breakdown, I put it all together in the next video. Link is right here. And if this changed how you think about food, subscribe, because we break down the real nutrition science every single week.